guys, it's Evo. Welcome back for another video on today's channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my YouTube videos. So let's get on it. Okay, let's go. So let me edit this. I think this, okay, this is I don't know. Hey, crash it. Okay, no, it didn't. Okay. So here we go. Again, the video's there, so it's like this was old videos. That was like Geometry Dash. That's a lag, damn it. Okay, so how I did is just like so I could press on it. I could press on it. I don't know if I can. Oh wait, so you got like a text saying like, let's see, pro gamer, capitalize, pro gamer, 13 2005. There you go. And you can change the color of it. You can time whatever, how much time you want it to go, etc. To the color. Let's see, I want red. Red. There you go. That's how I do it. So yeah, that's how I do it. And then put a transition, and then the video goes there. Whatever, like a video here or whatever. So, and you can add like music to it too. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.